Hello guys, welcome back again to my channel. Just before I start the video, I just wanted to let you know that you can also follow me on my Instagram account. It's called Latam Spanish U. You can go and find different videos like pronunciations. Also, you can get more vocabulary in order to enhance your Spanish vocabulary, okay? Perfect. So now guys, we are going to talk about colors. Also, please, you can also help me by sharing my videos and subscribing to my channel, okay? So now let's get started with this video. Okay guys, so now let's get started with this video. We are going to start learning how to pronounce these colors in Spanish, okay? Let's see the first one. Azul, azul. Next one. Rojo, rojo. Amarillo, amarillo. Verde, verde. Anaranjado, anaranjado. Celeste, celeste. Morado, morado. Rosado, rosado. Café, café. Gris, gris. Negro, negro. Blanco, blanco. Perfect. So now we are going to learn, or we are going to see some examples in order to use all of these colors, okay? Let's continue with the next one. Okay, so now we have this, the verb tener, verbo tener. In Spanish, we already learned how to conjugate this one, and we are going to use it now in order to see some examples. Let's get started for the first one. Yo tengo un carro rojo. If you notice, guys, in this case the color doesn't change, it will be the same, rojo. But there are some cases when the color changes according to the gender of the object, or also according to if it's singular or plural. Just to let you know, rojo, it can be rojo, roja, rojos, rojas, okay? It can be changed for both genders, for masculine and feminine, but it will be according to this gender of the object, okay? Let's see another example. Tú tienes un libro verde. Just to let you know, guys, in this case it's the same, verde doesn't change. Also, just verde, it can be just the same, I mean verde. It doesn't have any change for genders, but just have a change when we are talking about something in singular or plural. It could be verde or verdes. And now we are going to see the next example. Ella tiene un vestido azul. This is the same case for verde. Verde only can be azul or azules, okay? It doesn't change. Perfect. Also, if you already noticed, guys, we have always the substantive and then we have the adjective. Substantive will be the first one and then it will be the adjective. And in English it will be different. Like for example, in this case, the same sentence. Un vestido azul, in English, a blue dress. If you notice, this first one is the adjective and then we have this substantive. Adjetivo primero, sustantivo después. Okay, guys. So just remember, guys. In Spanish it will be different. Okay. First one we are going to have the substantive, el sustantivo. Next one we are going to have adjective, adjetivo. Okay. Now let's continue. Okay guys, so try to translate this sentence into Spanish. We already know all this vocabulary. Probably the only one that you don't know is church. This one it will be camisas, because it's in plural. Camisas. Okay, try to translate this one into Spanish. Just also remember, camisas is feminine, but as I told you before, blue, it doesn't change, just for plural and singular, okay? Let's see. Tengo dos camisas azules. Okay, tengo dos camisas azules. Perfect. Now let's see the next example. She has white sneakers. Okay guys, in this case sneakers, it will be like zapatillas, or it can also be tenis in Spanish. Okay, so also zapatillas, it will be a feminine word. And just to let you know, white is like the red color. This one it can be blanco, blanca, or for plural, blancos, blancas. Now that you know that, please try to translate this sentence into Spanish. She has white sneakers. Let's see. Ella tiene unas zapatillas blancas. Ella tiene unas zapatillas blancas. Okay, perfect. It would be blancas because zapatillas is feminine and also is in plural, blancas. The sentence it can also be ella tiene zapatillas blancas without unas, and it will be the same, okay? Ella tiene unas zapatillas blancas or ella tiene zapatillas blancas. Perfect. Now let's continue with the next one. Okay guys, so now this one is different. It's a long sentence. Try to translate this sentence into Spanish. She doesn't have a print dress, but she does have a red one. Dress in Spanish it would be vestido, vestido. And vestido is a masculine word. Also, just to let you know, pink it can be the same. Well, you can say rosado or rosa, but it can also be rosado, rosada, rosados, or rosadas. Okay? Now that you know this, and also that the dress it's a masculine word, try to translate this one into Spanish. Let's see. Ella no tiene un vestido rosa, pero tiene uno rojo. Okay, in this case it can also be rosado, because I told you vestido it's a masculine word. Ella tiene un vestido rosado. Perdón, ella no tiene un vestido rosado, pero tiene uno rojo. As you notice guys, in this case, in the second one, we don't necessarily need to use vestido again. It would be like in English, she doesn't have a red one. We said one for vestido, and in Spanish it would be the same. We said uno for vestido. Okay, for un vestido, uno, un vestido. Ella, pero tiene uno rojo. Okay, ella no tiene un vestido rosa, pero tiene uno rojo. And now let's see something else. Okay, now we have mine. In Spanish, this one is el mío or la mía. El mío or la mía. Now we are going to see the last example using this one. Anna's car is blue, but mine is red. Try to translate this one into Spanish. We already know car, the meaning of car in Spanish. It can be carro, coche, automóvil, okay? In this case, we are going to use carro, and carro it's a masculine word. As you know guys, for colors, blue doesn't change. In this case, it could be just for plural and singular, okay? So now try to translate this one. Anna's car is blue, but mine is red. Let's see. El carro de Ana es azul, pero el mío es rojo. Okay? It will be el mío because carro it's a masculine word, as I told you before. El carro de Ana es azul, pero el mío es rojo. Okay? Perfect guys, so now this has been all for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. Also, if you have any question about this topic or about the colors or the substantive and adjectives, please let me know in the comments. And also if you have any question about the genders, you can go to my channel and see that video, okay? So see you in the next video.